Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Stitchfix subscription. This is a clothing subscription. I have done videos on my channel before. It's been a while since I did an unboxing, so I just received my box a couple of days ago and I wanted to share it with you guys. I have explained in other videos exactly what Stitchfix is. Like I said, it is a clothing subscription. You get to choose, well, they choose 5 items to be sent out to you. You receive them in your home. You get to try them on in your home. You know, you don't have to worry about going in dressing rooms or anything like that. They are a little bit more priced. And when you do your profile, it gives you options to choose, you know, your style, how often you want it sent out to you, and your price range. So you do have control kind of the items that are sent out to you and the, you know, the prices and stuff like that. So I don't get a subscription sent out that much. I did recently change it to once a month, so I will be getting a box once a month. And that's one of the things that I like about this clothing subscription, because you have the option to control how often you get a box, you know, being based on your budget or your lifestyle. You get that option of choosing how often you want the box sent out to you. And also they have a new feature called Shop. I think it was Shop With Me, or well, either way, it allows you to shop on the website. You have already purchased items from Stitchfix. When you click on Shop, they'll have the items that you already bought from them, and they have it styled, different pieces that you can choose to purchase. It's totally separate from your subscription itself. These are just items you can just outright purchase, and they have it styled with pieces that you have already purchased from Stitchfix. So it kind of, you know, still is giving you that option of being styled by the stylist, but they don't charge you that $20 styling fee. That $20 styling fee is only for your subscription. This is just another way for you to shop, and you just purchase the items straight out. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. But before we do that, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button, and once you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. And I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys, and I am so excited. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a big giveaway. But like I said, I want to say welcome to our new family members, and I appreciate you guys' support so very much. So we're going to jump into this box here, and I can share with you all the great items that I received in this subscription. And this is my clothing bundle right here, and then look like I have some jewelry. So we're gonna start with the jewelry. Place that right there. Make sure I have everything out of the box. Set that down there. Okay. So right here is my invoice, which tells me about the items that are inside of my bundle, gives me a cost, a breakdown. So my styling picks totaled $214. If I buy all 5 items, I get a discount of 25%, which is $53.50. My order subtotal is $160.50, minus my purchase, well, styling fee, and shipping is free. So if I decided to get all 5 pieces, my total would be $140.50, which is not bad, because They have jeans in here, they have tops, and they have a pair of earrings. So you also get a styling card in your box. It has the items that you receive on it and different options to choose from. They usually have a casual option and then a more dressier option. You also get a note from your stylist. My stylist said, "Happy Fix Day, Sharetta Entertainment. Award season is here. I found lots of inspiration watching everything from the Grammys to the Oscars and all the fashion review shows in between. Which red carpet styles took your breath away? Leave me a note or add a new pin to share the look that you would love to see translated to ready to wear in your closet." Now let's get to the fun stuff. I noticed you like several animal prints on your style highlight. So much fun. So I started out with this lush blouse for you to incorporate into your work or play collection. For a night out, pair them with just USA jeans and wear the hoops. Now dig into your blue tissue paper. I hope you have fun trying out these new combinations and that they brighten your day-to-day wardrobe. Let me know your thoughts in your feedback. XOXO Crystal. So I think she's new. I don't think this was my last stylist. So with that out the way, I think we're gonna start. So with that out the way, we're gonna start with the earrings first. And so here are the earrings. Really, really cute. Kind of basic, but still a nice pair of everyday earrings. And we hope you love your Jill Michael jewelry. Each piece is simple and sophisticated, designed for easy everyday wear using quality silver and gold plated metals. These fashionable styles can be worn alone or layered with other pieces in your collection for a classic look that is unique to you. Thanks for the love. Oh, that was such a beautiful note that was included. So these are the earrings. And earrings are Jill Michael Dina Nugget hoop earrings, gold and silver, and they are only $28. So really, really cute. So the first thing on top, guys, it looks like it is an animal print. I don't know if it's animal print, and you know how I feel about that. It looks like it's black and white, and you know I love anything black and white, but this is not really black and white. This is like a cream color. It almost looked like the blouse that I got for my last Stitch Fit. Yeah, it's kind of similar. It's just a different pattern, which is okay, which is really okay. I really like this. It is in a size medium and really, really cute. Can be dressed up or dressed down. Let me see how they paired it on my style card. So they have it paired here with a pair of jeans and a cardigan for a casual look, and for a dressier look they have it with a skirt and a blazer and some look like some mules. So really, really cute. So let's see how much this is. So this is the lush worn split neck blouse, off-white, and it's $44. So that's not bad. That's really, really not bad. The items that they sent me last time was a little expensive, and I did express that to them in my my note. So the next item is a simple casual top in like a mauve color. It's in a size, what size is this? Medium. and it has some cutout detail here on the sleeve. It's like a 3/4 sleeve, and that's how it looks in the back. So this is the Love Ellie Sherelle Pointel. No, I'm reading the wrong one. Let me see what this one is. Burgundy. So this is the Brina and Elm Jace sleeve detail knit top in burgundy. It's a size medium and it's only $38. And they have this paired with some jeans, a nice olive colored jacket, and some booties. And for a more casual look, they have it paired with some olive green pants, some sneakers, and a jean jacket. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's the top right there, and these are the two options on the side. So the next item is a cardigan in a really beautiful blue color. Yeah, it's just a simple cardigan, really nice. And this is also in a size medium. And the price of this cardigan is $46. This is the Sherelle Pointel Duster cardigan from Love Ellie. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll put the names of the items because you know sometimes I be butchering the names of these items. But like I said, it's just a duster cardigan, blue, medium, $46. So everything they sent me in this fit is kind of reasonable, so I really do appreciate that. Because like I said, some of the items they had last time were pricey. So the very last item is some jeans, and I think these are gonna fit really nice. I love the button-up detail. They are a size 30, which is like a 10, and yeah, it's like a size 10. So these are Just USA Lola Skinny 5-button fly jeans in indigo, size 10, and they are $58. Which is not that bad, really isn't. You know, a nice pair of jeans, it's worth the money if they fit really nice. It's nothing like a good pair of jeans. So they have these paired with two different tops. One is a more casual top, and the other, well, both of them are kind of casual. They just styled them different, and the shoes are different. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's how they styled the jeans here. So you guys saw how everything looked on me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below which was your favorite outfit, which items you think I should keep or send back, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. Bye guys, see you in the next video.